Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a virtual summit with European Union leaders today. A range of bilateral, regional and global issues of interest to India and the EU will figure in the talks, including trade and investment. Also on the agenda is the fight against COVID-19 and research and development on a vaccine for it. More in this report.
The 15th summit between India and the European Union will be held on 15 July via video conference. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding talks with the President of the European Council, Charles Michel, and the President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen. The EU High Representative for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy, Josep Borrell, will also participate in the talks. The summit will be an opportunity to strengthen the EU-India strategic and trade partnership. The European Union is India's largest trading partner, whilst India is the EU's 9th largest partner. The latest data on trade in bilateral goods and services registers nearly $150 billion. Both sides are also willing to re-engage for negotiations for a comprehensive and mutually beneficial free trade agreement. The EU is the second largest destination for Indian exports after USA. The EU's share in foreign investment inflows to India more than doubled from 8% to 18% in the last decade, making the EU the first foreign investor in India. EU foreign direct investment stocks in India is significant. Some 6,000 European companies are present in India, providing directly 1.7 million jobs and indirectly 5 million jobs in a broad range of sectors. Indian companies invested over 50 billion euros in Europe since 2000. The summit is happening at a time when the world is fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. The summit will be an opportunity to discuss and identify synergies in healthcare, the production of pharmaceuticals and vaccines, research and development, diagnostics and treatment. The leaders are expected to call for the future COVID-19 vaccine to become a global common good. The EU-India summit will also delve upon global and regional issues. The leaders are expected to reaffirm their determination to promote effective multilateralism and the rules-based multilateral order with the United Nations and the World Trade Organization at its core. At the summit, the discussion is also expected on a number of pressing situations in the EU's and India's immediate neighborhoods. Sources said that the ongoing tension along the line of actual control with China, cross-border terrorism emanating from Pakistan, and prospects for peace in Afghanistan may also come up for discussion during the summit. The leaders will also discuss ways to harness human-centric digitalization to develop inclusive economies and societies, including as regards data protection, 5G and artificial intelligence. Towards the conclusion, a futuristic document, a roadmap to 2025, is expected to be adopted by both the sides. The document will guide cooperation between the EU and India over the next 5 years. With inputs from Abhishek Jha, Bureau Report, DD India.